So I'm going to show you how to use the fill in the blank text effect in ProPresenter 7. So we'll start with some text here. We'll go ahead and go into the edit mode, and in the editor we're going to select the text that we want to underline, which will be blank. So we'll select it and click the underline button. Then we need to make sure that our text box is selected, and we're going to click on the build tab, and we're going to add a build in to deliver the text, and you can pick any effect that you want. We're just going to use a basic fade. So then we click back into our build tab, and you'll see the delivery method. So right now it's delivering all at once. We're going to tell it to deliver with the underline. So you can see it splits it out into two sections here. The first is the text that will be shown, and if we select that, we can see how it starts. And right now it's set to start with a click, but we're going to change that to go ahead and just start automatically with the slide. But the fill in the blank portion, which is the text fill in the blank, is going to start on click. So that is all set. We're going to go back to show, and we're going to clear our slide, and then we'll go ahead and see how this works. So if I click it once, the text comes up with the blank, and then I click it a second time and it fills in the blank. Now the great thing about ProPresenter 7 is with the new build method for adding underline fill in the blank to text, we can also add in the same slide a list for text with the build-in for the fill in the blank. So we're going to create another text box here, and we'll go ahead and just make a quick list here. List A, list B, let's see. Okay, I'll do some quick formatting here, left justify it, and bring that into our center. And if we check the list box over here, then it'll give us some bullet points. So now we'll select this text box and do a build. Again, we'll add a build in and do a basic fade. So now this time it shows our initial text still coming in with the slide, then our fill in the blank on click, and then our list. And so we can tell it to deliver by bullet, and then it'll split it out into a by bullet build. And each one of these is going to come on click. So now if we go back to show, we're going to clear our slide and click it. We have our fill in the blank text. Clicking it fills in that blank. Clicking it again delivers one list. Clicking it again delivers the second list. And finally, clicking it the last time gives us our last list item. So you can have multiple build-ins within the same slide, whereas in ProPresenter 6, if you were doing a fill in the blank, that was all you could do for that specific slide. You would have to do a new slide if you wanted to add a list in there as well. So very cool new feature.